little friends! Today we're going to learn cleaning tools. Let's clean together! Broom! Bucket! Sponge! Mop! Spray bottle!
Dustpan.
Dustpan! Cleaning brush!
Feather duster.
Feather duster! Trash bin! Vacuum cleaner! Broom, sweep, sweep, sweep. Bucket, splash, splash, splash. Sponge, wipe, wipe, wipe. Mop, spray bottle, spray, spray, spray. Dustpan, cleaning brush, scrub. Fantastic! Today we learned cleaning tools. Which cleaning tool is your favorite? See you in the next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to SmartKidVerse for more fun adventures.